Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJB Trading Academy. And today we have started the live Zoom meet at 27th July 2021. So let us see in the live market now. The market has been started from 9:15. So let us see. We have fixed everything according to the automated trade entries. So right now we have created our strategy for 30 seconds right now also. So whenever the alerts trigger in 30 seconds time frame also, it will be triggered right now, and the 5 seconds also will be triggered. Okay, so let us watch what is. So now you can and now you can see here right now there is an entry taken at 5 seconds, and perfectly you can see the timing also. The entry has been taken at 9:15, and in the live market now I am showing, and you can see in the Algosys platform it has been the alert has been triggered, and now I have connected with the demat account, right? So the demo demat account will be triggering the alerts. So now I will be logging with my account. So it will be taking the perfect call option for the buy side entry. Okay. So right now you can see here. Now I have logged in with my direct demo account. So you can see in the orders it will be completed in the complete orders. You can see the orders has been rejected because of no funds in this demat account. So right now it has been rejected and the demo account. So if you have any other funds in this if you have funds in this demat account, so the order will be punched in this timing. So you can see the timing of the trade entry taken. I have fixed the alert for the both call option as well as the future. So for you can see right now the alert has been taken at 9:15. At 10 seconds it has been taken, and in our demat account it has been taken at almost in the 17th second it has been taken. Only the seconds will be vary. So your orders has been punched perfectly. Okay, so right now we can see now it has been given you a call option. That means the buy entry has been taken, and now I will be showing you the strategy tester. And right now the strategy tester is showing from 19th July till date it is showing, and yesterday there is no entry for our 5-second strategy. We have got entry only in the 30-second strategy. So right now it has been perfectly taken the entry, and now you can see the target and stop loss, right? And right now you can see here the timing noted in the strategy is same as the timing of the entry. And right now if I click this, then it will be directed towards that strategy time. So at the same second it will be showing. So if I click this where the strategy has been taken entry, so it has been gone to the entry, and it has been taken at 35,091 at the future. So according to the future, now the option has been triggered, right? So now our strategy is working very perfectly with automation. You can see in live market also, and right now you can see the timing is 9:20 right now. Okay, so let us see according to the target and stop loss, it will be taking the entry. So we are waiting for the market to give the movements. Clearing it right now. So you can see here right now in 30 seconds there is an alert for call option. Again it has been taken a buy entry, and right now I am just going towards the Algosys platform order book. So the call option has been triggered for the next alert, right, for 30 seconds, and it has been taken at 35 seconds it has been taken. And you can see it in our demo account. You can see it has been taken at the same time it has been taken, right? So right now there is almost, so right now it has been taken a call option in 30 seconds as well as the 5 seconds. So we will be waiting according to the strategy to be working, right? And you can see the almost 3 alerts now we have got, because in 30 seconds I have not fixed for future alerts. Right now it is only taking for options for 30 seconds. And this is the 30 seconds alert. Okay. Hi sir, if you have any other doubts you can clear with me right now.
Hi, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir, I just entered now only in this meeting.
Okay.
Can you please explain about the strategy, sir?
Yes, sir. I will be saying first of all, you just right now you can see now I am sharing for a 5 seconds time frame, right? Okay. In our strategy, now we have fixed the stop loss and target for both 5 seconds as well as the 30 seconds. Okay. So if we now we have fixed the target and stop loss, everything perfectly all right. And now I have also connected with our Algosys platform. And now you can see the alerts has been triggered in Algosys platform. According to our today morning entry, today we have got a 5 seconds entry, and with the stop loss of 40 points we have kept, and our stop loss has been triggered today, and the entry has been taken at 10 entry has been taken at 9:15 candle. Okay, one minute. I will be showing you in the list of trades itself. So you can see the entry has been taken at 9:15 candle. At 10 seconds it has been executed, and according to the Algosys platform it has been triggered at 9:15 at 18 seconds in call option, as well as we have also kept the alert for the future alerts. So it has been triggered at 17 seconds itself it has been triggered. And in our demat account it will be taking at the same time whenever the Algosys platform giving alerts, at the same time it has been executed. You can see here at the 17 and 18 it has been taken, and this is the entry of our 30-second strategy. It has been taken, right? And now you can see the 30-second strategy also taken the entry at the same time. If you have any other doubts you can clear with us. And right now we have fixed the target and stop loss according to our needs. Okay, so if you want to change the target and stop loss also you can change. Sir, any other doubts?
Sir, what is the investment I need in my Demat account, sir? What is the required investment here?
Yes, sir. According to your basic investment, if you can start trading with the 1 lot of Bank Nifty right now. If you are an option trader, are you option trader, sir?
Yes, sir.
So if you are an option trader, you can start trading with the, if you want to trade with the NRML trade entries or MIS trade entries, first of all you need to decide. For MIS trade entries, you can max to max, you can start trading with the 20,000 as the basic investment. So according to our strategy, in 1 lot you can start trading with the 15,000, right? So you just need to make almost 10,000 as in your demat account. Then only the triggers, if the stop loss hunt also, it will be taking the next entry. The market need to be we need to allow for the next entry, right? So whenever the stop loss triggered also, it will be taking the next entry and it will be taking the entry perfectly. So if you have 25,000 as the basic investment, you can start trading. As a future trader with 1 lot of future, how much requirements you can start trading. And right now in Algosys platform, they are providing the supported brokers as Fires, Alice Blue, and Angel Broking. If you have any one demat account, you can start trade. Right, sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let me know any other doubts, sir.
Sir, can I know about the charges for your indicator?
Yes, sir. We are charging for 6,000 for 30 days with our indicator package. So you can you will be getting our 5-second strategy, 30-second strategy, and we also have for a 5 minutes, 15 minutes and DHR time frame. That is another indicator. Now we have fixed the alerts according to the 5 seconds and 30-second strategy. Okay, and you can see the intraday trade session. First of all, you need to understand that this strategy will be taking only the trade entry between 9:15 to 12 o'clock. Only it will be taking the trade, and the end session we have fixed as an default as a 3:50, 3:10 to 3:25. So whenever the market has been taken the entry between the 12 o'clock, it will be waiting until the target reach for 3:50. So we are expecting the market to move towards our side. That means according to our strategy, we are waiting for the market to move. If the market has been not given also, it will be squared off for the 3:10 to 3:25. It will be squared off. Okay. So if you are a MIS trader, according to your broker, if the timing is 3 by or 3 o'clock, it will be squared off. Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Sir, yesterday even yesterday I also attended the Zoom meeting.
Okay.
And you shown me the 30-second chart, and
Yes.
I also trade taken in my account, and I had profited 120 points in options, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Super, sir. You can make it like that also, but as a manual trade entry, we will not be promoting for you. So right now we have got another signal right now. So let us watch. So you can see here now another trade entry has been taken in 5 seconds. Now the alert has been triggered, and in the 5 seconds. So we shall wait for almost 5 seconds. It will be taking the entry. So you can see here the entry has been taken in our Algosys platform and as well as our Demat account, right? So let us wait for the entry. So you can see here now the timing it has been taken in our TradingView platform. Right now you can see it has been taken at 9:58 at 15 seconds. It has been taken in the TradingView, and you can see in the Algosys platform it has been taken at 9:58 at 23 seconds. It has been taken, and the same time it has been taken at our Demat account also. So you can see the perfection.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, can you please send me the payment details to my WhatsApp number? Can
Yes.
I join today?
Yes, sir. You can join after making payment. You just send me your TradingView account, and you need a premium subscription for using our seconds time frame, right? You need to understand one thing. If you are a user of a seconds time frame, you need to go for a premium version of our TradingView platform. And according to if you want to start trading with the 5 minutes time frame, you can start with your pro account, right? Because we need to fix the automation trade setup. Or if you are manual trader also, you can start trading as a basic. Okay, I will be sending you. Just message me in WhatsApp. I will be sending you all details about our indicator. Okay.
Sir, I already using the premium account in TradingView, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, then you can easily start trading.
And also I signed in Algosys, sir. Can you please send me the payment details around in my WhatsApp?
Okay, you just send me a hi to WhatsApp number 7200555670. So I will be messaging you and I will be giving all details about our indicator. So after payment, you can start trading as an automation. So today almost we will be fixing you the automation setup and you can start trading.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Now the timing is 10:27. Today almost we have got 2 entries in 5 seconds time frame. The first entry has been taken at 9:15, and the second entry now it has been taken at 9:58. So now till now it is in a bullish move because of the long entry. Okay, and as of 30 seconds you can see here the trade entry has been executed at 9:31, and the finally now it has been taken a short entry at 10:14. Okay, so and you can see here every trade entries has been executed perfectly according to the same timing. Almost it is somewhat different with seconds only, and it has been executed in Algosys platform as well as our demo accounts. Okay, You can see the trade timings also according to our Algosys platform. Whatever the triggers has been taken, it has been perfectly taken in our Alice Blue demo account right now. Okay. So let us watch till the market end. So our strategy will be taking the entries only till 12 o'clock, and it will be till waiting for the square of 310. Okay. So let us wait for 12 o'clock to take the entries. Okay. Traders, right now you can see I am in the timing of 2:20 of 27th July 2021, and right now you can see here. Right now you can see here our indicator has been given us in 30 seconds. I am showing right now, and this is 5 seconds. Okay, and right now in 30 seconds you can see the strategy tester, and I will be showing you the list of trades also. Today we have got almost 4 trade entries. Okay, the 4 trade entries we have got a first trade 931 to 942. This trade has been hit with a stop loss for 40 points. So we have got 1,000 rupees as a loss per lot of bank nifty future. And again, this is the second trade. 1,477 has been given you a last trade, and the third trade has been given you 1,000 rupees. So almost you will be getting 3,500 as their stop loss. So finally you have gotten another entry. This is a full big rally entry. That means it has been taken the entry before 12 o'clock. Okay, and according to our indicator condition, we have kept the trade entries before 12 o'clock. So this has been taken the trade at 11:22 candle. You can see perfectly, and the 11:22 candle, and this is the fourth entry of our indicator for this day, 27th July to 2021, and right now you can see here this entry has been given you almost 350 points. So finally the 350 points the market has been squared off, and right now we have got 8,750 as the net profit. And almost we have, after minusing this losses, we will be getting almost 5,266 points today. So let us see according to our strategy. This is the overview. Okay traders, and right now, and you can see here our alerts has been triggered perfectly. Every trade entries has been taken the put option. I have set the 30-second strategy only for options. So in the final trade it has been taken a put option entry at 11:21 with 38 seconds it has been executed. So right now I will be showing you at which timing it has been taken here. So it has been taken at 11:20 to 30 seconds, right? And in the demat account it has been taken at 11:21 38 seconds it has been executed. And finally the rally has been fully continued, and our indicator has been taken the rally. So let us, if you have any other doubts, you just WhatsApp us and we will be clearing your doubts according to our indicator. Thank you traders. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Traders, till now we have seen every details about our automated trading strategy. And if you have any other doubts with our indicator, you can WhatsApp us. We will be clearing with the Zoom meet, and we will be explaining you about the strategy. WhatsApp us on 7200556708, and let us start the consistent earning with the fully automated trade entries. And there is no emotion in trading. Let us start a consistent profits from today. Thanks for watching.